What's up, all you LEGO nerds? My name is LEGO Nerd, and today we are going to be playing some Facerig. Now, if you haven't heard of Facerig or seen my last video on Facerig, then Facerig is this game where you can play as like a bunch of variety of characters and like make them do expressions, like you can make them smile like this, or you can make them frown like this. You can make them go to sleep like. Sorry, I was tired. Anyway, we're going to be doing another one inside the house. I know you're probably being like, why, dude? I mean, like, I honestly can't change the character or, like, the background. So, today we're just going to be playing as the kitty cat. Hi, I'm a kitty cat. You know things about us kitty cats is that we always try to get the fireball up. Sorry if that's from guava juice. I'm evil. Apparently I have a squash face because the animal's doing Anyways, how long was this video? How long is this video? I don't know. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Comment down below what you want me to do next, and I'll see you in the next one!